So here's day one of doing something that needs to be done to rent out our apartment upstairs. This is a room that we potentially want to put a door in to go upstairs to our apartment. So it's just easier access and doesn't affect our neighbor next door, because the other stairwell is right next to his house, which is very close. So this is an absolute mess. And you know how when you move somewhere, which this was 4 years ago that we moved here and bought this house, how you have a certain space that you just kind of shove stuff. And this would be one of them. We have actually cleaned this out a lot more than what you're about to see, but that was a few weeks ago, maybe a few months ago. So I'm trying to finish this project so that we can move forward. So this is one of the projects. There is going to be stuff that gets thrown out because it's out of date. We lived in a yurt 5 years ago, and some of the stuff kind of just got pushed in here. It was like during COVID times, and we had bought stuff and I just hadn't used it. It kind of didn't get rotated in. So there is stuff that's going to be thrown out, sadly, that we didn't use. I'm going to check the dates, but this is what it looks like. Ooh, what a mess. Yep. It is much cleaner than it used to be. There's actually a window. Where are we pointing? There's a window here that isn't exposed. So maybe that wall will come down. I think we were trying to figure out if it was worth taking down or not, but here we go. I'll probably fast forward through whatever I'm doing. I'm going to take a moment, spend 11 minutes. Yeah, I needed this. I just got found my nice camera, and this is the charger piece that I was missing. So I at least shuffled some stuff around. I'm going to come back to this. I've probably only done this for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm pretty burnt out and I have to go to the dump. I have 2 trash bags plus a bin, and then my own normal trash bag. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see me doing projects and cleaning up my house so that we can rent it out, cleaning up our house so we can rent it out, just stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, so this is what I have kind of finished with for now. Looks much better than when I started. Ooh-wee. Now I just need to go through the rest of the stuff, but at least it's a little better organized. This used to be heaping, so we're happy with this.